Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to disable fingerprint on Redmi 13c device. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. And then here please scroll down and then you can select password and security option. And then you can press fingerprint unlock here. And then you can enter your screen lock. And then you can select your fingerprint. And then you can remove it by pressing this button. And then click OK. And then fingerprint on your device is successfully removed. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to disable fingerprint on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.